Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here once again, and today we're going to talk about a company that I've reviewed before, Sphero. And they just sent us the Sphero Bolt Plus. We're going to be opening it up, trying it out, right after this. Okay, when it comes to Sphero, they produce a lot of educational, I don't even know if I want to call them toys. Now at this point in time, STEM is very big, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. I don't know if you even needed me to explain that acronym, but I usually always do. Anyway, Sphero makes a lot of particular products that are designed for STEM, and with a lot of young minds who really want to get into programming and all that, this is how you can do it. So what is the Bolt? Well, contrary to popular belief, it's not exactly bolt-shaped. In fact, it is actually ball-shaped. And I will show you what I mean when I open this up and show it to you. Oh, that didn't quite work in the shot. Hang on, let me try that again. And now I shall show it to you. Okay, this is probably going on for too long. Basically, it's a ball. Oh, shucks. As you can see, the ball has a bit of a weight to it. And I don't mean that it's heavy, because it is. I don't really know how much this weighs in my hand, but I'm not exactly throwing it around like a tennis ball, if you know what I mean, or a racquetball. But basically, the point of this thing is that I can take control of it with a smartphone. I know that wish sound. Maybe I better do that again. And I can take control of this phone with a smartphone. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Before I get to that, let me see what else is in the box. I'm seeing a charging cord. Looks like a USB-C to USB-A. Figured it probably would be. And then I imagine this would be a ball stand. And perhaps I should have, put this on here. I'm guessing this is some sort of charging surface or some type, I guess. Yeah, I think it is. And I have to try that out for a show. So, what is this? Let me gaze into my Sphero Bolt, and I shall see the future. Okay. Well, that was odd. What was that? I'm seeing this too. This looks like, oh, hello. I thought this was an instruction, but it's not. It is something else altogether. There is some instruction here, and what appears to be some kind of, I'm not sure what this is here. I guess maybe it's, it's kind of like a little compass thing for it. See that? It's kind of like sticks on there. Or actually, it doesn't really stick. And then we got some stickers. Oh, okay. I thought this was, actually, these are stickers. Oops. And then we got the actual quick start guide. So, alright. Not bad at all. So, okay. We're going to have to connect this thing, and yeah, so we're going to have to do that. In order to do that, we're going to make some connections. Whoa! Okay, right now I'm downloading the Sphero EDU app on my phone, and let's see how long it takes. And I'm sure there's going to be a bit of a waiting period on this, but do you really need to see me put an app on my phone to be a part of this review? I don't know. When I do unboxing, I mean, I like to take it out of the box, and this is the full unboxing, baby. Okay, I probably could have just unwound these cable here and just plug in the ball, but one thing I'd like to do is see if it'll just work with any particular cable. So we're going to plug this in right now, and see what happens. I am not prepared for this, so okay. Is there any indicator light? Anything that's going on here? Is there like a power switch I need to turn on? Huh. I kind of expected that to just sort of work, or at least do something here. So, lights? Is anybody? Oh. See that? It moved. Okay. According to this quick start guide, it says, see my lights? Okay, now it's on. I don't know how well this is detecting it. I'll bring it a little closer so you can check it out. Okay, so we got some interesting things going on there. Oh, now I see my future. You shall be rolling on my floor, doing things that I guide you to do, thanks to the help of this app, which I better download now, actually. Something tells me I'm going to need to do that, just to make sure it works. Okay, I got a minute, kind of surprised. First thing it does is immediately just set up on the programs thing. I'm going to sign in with an account that I've used in the past. I would have used my phone, but, well, it's taping me right now, so yeah. Okay, I'm all set up with my account. I wonder what I can do. It's been a while since... Now, just to be clear, I've actually reviewed this product before. I can't remember if I ever did a video on this product here. I know I've done videos for other Sphero products, and you can look at that. I've done one for the Rover, I've done one for the, I think it's Little Bits, and I did one for Blueprint. So, yeah, there's a lot I have done here. So, what can I do with this besides roll it? Okay, I'm going to try to do this again. I'll bring it a little closer. Whoops, shows up right away. Okay, it's connecting. Lights are turning different colors. And we're good. Okay, we're connected. Not bad. Got a little map. I guess you couldn't see it. Alright, so now what do we do? Okay, it's telling me to take the ball off the cradle. And it's interesting because it has a screen here, which is very detailed. You can actually kind of see it. My ring light's kind of getting in the way of that. Hang on a second. I'm going to try something here. I usually don't do this, but I'm going to just, in order to see this, as you can see, we've got a screen on here. That's a pretty cool feature. I'm certain when I reviewed this like way long ago, and I would actually have to put a link to the article there just so I can know. Can I even... Okay, it seems to naturally want to go that way. I wonder if that's supposed to do it that way. Okay, alright. It should be a connect button here, so I'm going to hit allow. Okay, so Bluetooth. Okay, so it's looking for the robot here. See if it can find it. Okay, I made a program here. I think it's called Draw. Okay, I didn't expect that, and I don't think this thing expected it either. Okay, I'm kind of limited by my table space, and I'm afraid it's going to roll off. Okay, it's going to be an issue here, I can tell. Maybe I should clear some space around here, because that was getting in the way. Okay, so I'm going to try this program out here. I've got this thing, and I'm going to draw just a small circle. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I gotta watch it because it's like... Alright, I think I need to just take this on the floor or something like that. I think that'd be the best thing. It's gonna be a difficult shot though, so I'll do my best. Okay, before I do that, I want to see if I can control the screen somehow. There's apparently a lot I can do here. Okay, there is a way to... Ah, here we go. Okay, now I'm changing the colors of the lights. See? Check it out. Alright. Cool. And this apparently, oh, what is this? Okay. Alright. This is changing the controller. The color is done with like this thing. Now there's this thing that looks like speed. Okay, I cranked up the speed a little bit, so I'm in control. I gotta watch it. I don't want it to roll off the table. I'm not sure how much damage this thing can take. I'd have to do some research in the article to show how much it can take and stuff. So, again, trying to aim this thing in front. Every time I turn it, it seems to want to go back there, which I find odd. Oh, here we go. Oh, actually, okay, I can control it with this. And oh, now I got better control. I like that. Seeing is believing. Yeah, this is pretty cool, alright. What else can I do with this besides let's change the colors? Okay. Oh, there's a hang on. Is this display? Oh! Okay, I can select a way to. Can I put an emoji on it? I can! I totally put an emoji on this thing. What else can I do? Alright. Okay. Various lots of emojis. And then there's a guy blowing his nose. There's so much you can do. Okay, now there's a lot. Let's just put it on. Okay. We can also add, like, you can change how the ways the arrows go. I don't know if you can see this, but oh yeah, the ring light is kind of making that a little bit hairy and stuff like that. I got a good idea. We're going to turn the ring light again, and we're going to show you a few things. I'm just going to hit buttons at random, just so you can see what's going on here and all the emojis it can do. So. All right. Well, hey, I think the best thing we can do now is have a little floor time. Okay, it's only me in the studio today, so I wanted to make sure I get a good look at this thing. So let's do a little drawing action. This time I don't have to worry about how much stuff I've got here. So we're going to draw a big circle on here. You can see. I'm going to hit start. I was afraid of that. Hit an object. It still works with the objects around it. And it's currently going around and stops. Okay, so let's try drawing maybe, hey, can we draw just a simple line? Okay, how do we erase this? Ah, here we go. Okay, let's just draw a simple line. See what happens when I do that. Okay, good line. Okay, it's making the shape here, and it's got a diagram of that, which I think is kind of cool. I can hit stop, and I think I will. All right, what else do I got here? Okay, I want to point out these things here. This is the aim function, and that'll show that. And this is where you can program it to go a certain direction here with this thing, which I like a lot. And this is where I have the drawing program that you can do where you can change the color. Okay, that's a better view than I had before, so I like that. And change the emoji, or whatever you want to do here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then of course we've got the manual controls right here. Okay, got a small rug in the way. He's very active. Yeah, he's kind of fun. Too bad I don't have a cat. I'd like to see what that would look like. Yeah. Yeah, can you imagine if I had a cat here and it'd be like chasing around this ball? That'd be awesome. Okay, I'm sure there's a lot more I can do with this that I haven't shown you. But hey, I mean, I really only have a certain amount of time I can do on my show. You can get this for about $1.99 on the Sphero site. Highly recommend you do, because it is an awesome thing. This will make a great gift for the holiday season. And I'm just going to put it in its little cradle right now. And do some little charging up. Play with it later. But for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.